Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. Let me introduce myself. My name is Edwin Fibriani. Come from Politeknik Negeri Samarinda. Today I will present about our study. Okay, let me share screen. Okay, this is our presentation. Okay. Innovation of Batik fixation machine with Pahl and Beitz method with Edwin Fibriani Suprapto, Andi Fatmawati, and Pipit Puspitorini. Okay, introduce the problem. This is fixation is the process of locking the color on the fabric so that the fabric remains unchanged in color brightness. Fixation at LKP Artikna Samarinda is currently still using the manual fixation process by the operator, like this, like the picture. The colored batik cloth is placed on the work table, then water glass brush on the cloth with a brush or sponge. Concerning the fixation process on this batik cloth lie in the time, inefficiency, and the layout of the facilities which are far apart. They require a lot of workplaces. The operator's working position when fixing is standing and bending to reach the farthest area when brushing the water glass on the cloth. The stop position, so an ergonomic method. We use Pahl and Beitz method. For the first, we start and we collect the literature review. We analyze the data. We have product development with Pahl and Beitz with four phases, the planning and task description about the product concept, from planning, embodiment design, planning details, and robustness analysis, icing and ergonomic analysis, final product, and finish. The Pahl and Beitz method has been extended with a new, more specific and more focused technique and a tool called ICDM, Integrated Customer-Driven and Conceptual Design Method. This is the first stage. We have meet with LKP Atikna. We collect the data. And then we make an as an attribute in our machine. And then we ask the LKP Atikna, this the attribute, demand, or the wishes. This is 6 attribute. The body, machine, power, use of water glass, raw material until the machine size. And then from the first thing to do is determine list product requirement. This is a product requirement, and the required attributes are roller with water glass liquid, drain hole, and clamp roll for dispensing liquid and squeezing cloth, water glass strip container. The aspen used to drain water glass liquid back into the liquid tank, recirculate. The circle pump is used to recirculate the liquid that has been removed through the perforated roller into the pump, and so on until the entire cloth can be evenly splashed with water glass. Post-roll cloth support container to function as a dry container to dry quickly. In this machine, in this our machine, we not set the drying fabric more quickly than before, but the same just the position of the station about fixation and drying fabric, we make more closer than before. Customer satisfaction, we have 7 specification, and then we collect the important rate. This is very important or not important or important. Is to the frame of iron until the circle pumped. And then this is our design. We try to answer the requirement of the LKP Atikna, and we try to draw it. And this is fixation machine that we designed. This fixation machine consists two parts, which are integrated with each other. The first part is the fixation section, and the second part is the cloth drying rack. Just drying rack, not we make the process of drying fabric more quickly. We reduce time to operator move into one place into another place. I think. Okay, production detail is 7 items that have in our machine. This is production time efficiency. We just compare with two conditions. The first manually work fixation process, and the second automatically machine fixation process. In manually work fixation process, we have 1,500 minutes, and the automatically machine we have plus minus 1,467 minutes. We can reduce many times to in process, but in the drying process still the same with before. I think maybe it in this step research maybe for the product development of this machine. Okay, the conclusion from the test result above, it can be concluded that with the machine, workers can save processing time. Yeah, because the user not to move from one place to another place. Just in one places, the operator can make it all. This integration machine minimize the operator work movement. This integration engine doesn't cause the operator work in stop position, bungkuk, and ergonomic, which can cause MSDS complaints, musculoskeletal disorders, and acknowledgement for enthusiastically participating and supporting our study. We would like to heartily thank Polytechnic Negeri Samarinda, Borneo Craft, and Atikna Batik for their effort and contribution in assessing us in this study. Of course, many thanks to Borobudur International Symposium 2021. Thank you. And if any question, we can try to answer this question. Okay, thank you very much for this event. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.